guys, welcome back to my channel and I am Kritika. I recently got graduated from Pondicherry University and I have been uploading videos for you guys to understand how the entire process of admission, hostel accommodation and all of that works. I've already uploaded a couple of videos and I will add them to the eye and you can check out those videos after this. Now first of all, congratulations to all of you guys who have appeared for CUET exams and have cleared it. I know everybody has got a lot of questions regarding the admission process because it is not clearly mentioned in the website. So that is why I am taking some time for you guys to make these videos. If you take a second to subscribe to my channel, it would mean the absolute world to me. It's just a small reward for all of my efforts. Please take a second to subscribe to my channel. Now let me get into the video. All of you wanted to know what is the next step after your CUET results are out. So I'm going to explain it to you in detail in this video and I hope it will be helpful for you guys. And if you still have any doubts, please feel free to comment down. I will include them in my frequently asked question video which will be uploaded next. Let me explain the entire process of admission in Pondicherry University in just 6 steps. Now the first step is to apply for CUET exam and second step is to get the results. Now all of you have already done both of these, so congratulations, we are moving up on the ladder. Now the third step is to register yourself for counseling which will be notified by the university through the website. Now you have to look into the university's website every now and then to see if they are releasing any notification regarding the counseling. I think the integrated courses have already started with their registration and I think next would be the PG courses. So please keep an eye on the website. So they will probably open the registration in a week or two, most probably next week, but it might delay due to other reasons, but keep an eye on the website. So some of you had asked me in the comment section, if you had not chosen Pondicherry University while giving CUET exam, is it possible to register now? The answer is yes, you can register after your results are declared. Now that you have your CUET results in hand, you can register for your courses from Pondicherry University. Now let me tell you how to register for the counseling. If you go to the Pondicherry University's website, they will have a registration link and you can register using your CUET application number, which is the user ID, and your CUET exams roll number, which is the password. Now using these credentials, you can log into the website and register for the specific course that you wanted. Now this is how you will register for counseling. Pondicherry University will release a notification asking you to submit your documents. So this might either happen before releasing the merit list or after releasing the merit list, but you will have to get ready with all of the documents that's listed in the Pondicherry University official website. Once the document verification is done, or once you register for your course with all your CUET results, Pondicherry University will release its first provisional merit list. Now let me tell you this provisional merit list is not the final list. Now this list will have all of the candidates who have registered for a course along with their rank and their CUET score. After a week or two, they will release the first merit list. Now this is where the confirmation starts. Now in this first round, they will confirm about first 20 or 30 seats according to the reservation, the rank and the CUET score. And along with this, there will be a waiting list. And then for the second round, which will be released after a week, people who are there in the waiting list will have a chance to get admission, same as before, according to their rank, CUET results and the reservation. Now the same thing will repeat for 3 rounds. Now after all of these 3 rounds, you will have a confirmed list of people who are getting admitted to a specific course. Now let's say in a course which has 50 seats, only 40 have been applied through this process and 10 are still remaining. You will be called for spot admission. Now I have explained in detail about this entire process, what to do and how to proceed after your merit listings are out in this video. I will link this video in the description, so watch that video to get detailed information. Another frequently asked question was about the cutoff. As I told in the previous video, you cannot determine the cutoff right now because it varies every single year. According to the previous year's cutoffs, we do have a range. I will put them in the screen here. You can either take a screenshot or note it down. For all those of you who wanted to know when will the registration open or when will the entire admission process open and how long does this duration happen, let me tell you about this. Since the CUET results are out only a couple of days back, it will definitely take a week at least for them to release the notification. Now, once the notification is being released, you can register and they will give you a good amount of time for the registration. Probably around 2 weeks or 3 weeks time for you to register for specific course. Now, once that is done, the entire process of admission where the merit listings and all of that will happen very quickly. Within the span of 1 month, all of that process will get over. Now, once all of your merit listing is done, once you are confirmed to your course, then within a week or two, they will release the reopening date and they will ask you to come to the university within 2 weeks or 3 weeks time. So you have to be ready for everything. Just be ready with your documents. That is the most important thing, because only after the document verification is done, they will confirm your seat. Now, if you have all of the documents in hand, then well and good. If you don't, because some of the colleges will give the provisional degree or the other mark sheets a bit later, because just now you are graduated from your UG, right? In that case, you can ask for permission by mailing to your HOD. All of these details will be given to you during the admission process. I think this video will be clear for you guys to know how to proceed with the admission process. Let me just summarize all of the points for you guys. Now, you have to wait until the university releases a notification regarding your counseling. Once that is done, please register for your course and get ready with all of the documents that is required. And once that is done, if they call for the documentation before sending out the merit list, you can submit the documents and wait for their reply. And once all of that is done, they will release the provisional merit list. Now, this list will contain all of the candidates who have registered for the course. Now, only after this, they will release 3 rounds of merit listings. Those 3 rounds of merit listing will contain the confirmed number of candidates. As I told before, please check out this video. You will get more detail on how this admission process and the merit listing works. I have explained in detail about it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any more doubts, please feel free to comment down. I will add them to my next video, which will be released on Tuesday. So please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out the videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.